Hello friends, in this video I will show how to easily create, manage and share events in your WordPress. So search this plugin Timely All-in-One Events Calendar, install and activate. Timely All-in-One Events Calendar is a free WordPress plugin trusted by this number plus event creator worldwide, trusted by this number of people. You can easily create, manage and share events. As we can see here, a good number of active installation user and good ranking. Click on activate. After activation in this left side panel, you will see a new feature, Timely. Click on it. Now here you need to create your account using your Facebook or Gmail. So click on sign up. Select I agree to all. After sign up, you will see this interface. Add event. Give any title here, your description, feature image, featured event, start and you can select days, time zone, repeats, and this is all information. And after that, guys, you have to just click on publish. So this is the way, guys, you can create event in your WordPress website using this plugin. Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe the channel for more useful videos.